welcome to the channel. So today we are going to have an interesting chat about ChatGPT and the new AI tool in the market from Google, Bard. Now, is ChatGPT a friend of Bard? We'll find out. So let's first find out what is Bard. So some folks have started receiving an email from Google stating that, hello, let's meet Bard, an early experiment by Google. And because you're a Google One member, we would like to offer you the opportunity to be among the first to sign up for the new Bard experience and provide feedback. Think of Bard as your creative and helpful collaborator here to bring your ideas to life using generative AI. Sounds a lot like what ChatGPT is, isn't it? Now, when you go to register, you will be told you're on the wait list. So it's not like ChatGPT where you can just go in and sign up, or log in and start searching or asking questions. So what will happen is you will receive another email that will tell you when it's your turn to test Bard. In the meanwhile, Bard was nice enough to write a little poem for us in the thank you email. The email goes, may your day be bright, your mood be light, and your heart be filled with delight. Bard. So again, this is very much like what ChatGPT can do. It can write poems for you, and if you've seen my previous videos on ChatGPT, you would have definitely experienced that. Now, the most important question for us is, what does ChatGPT know about Bard? And so, first question we asked is, what is Bard? And the response was very strange. It spoke about different things. It defined what Bard is. It's like a poet or a storyteller. It's Bards were respected members of society who were responsible for preserving and sharing history, etc. Then it talked about in medicine what Bard is. It's a thin, flexible tube inserted into the body to deliver medication. And then finally, we spoke about a company named Bard, which is a medical technology company. And guess what? It never spoke about Bard, the real Bard, which everyone is expecting to learn about. Then I said, okay, in the context of AI, can you explain what is Bard? And it says, I'm sorry, I'm not aware of any specific meaning of the term Bard in the context of AI, and that is shocking. So what's happening? So it says BARD is an acronym for Bioassay Research Database, which is publicly available. This is not related to AI. Uh, and then it says if you can provide more context or information about the use of the term BARD in the context of AI, I might be able to provide you a more specific answer. So I think ChatGPT is not being friends with AI, especially from Google. Now comes the confession time. When I asked the third question directly, are you not friends with Bard, Google's AI tool? And then it says, as a AI language model, I don't have personal relationship friendships with AI tools, including Bard. And here it now acknowledges I am familiar with Bard. So after asking it what is Bard, where it ignored it, when I asked, talk to me about Bard in the context of AI, it ignored it. And now when I say Bard, the Google AI tool, it finally confesses and says, hey, I'm familiar. So, and then it says, hey, I can tell you that's an advanced language processing AI tool that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like text. It is designed to assist content creators in high quality writing content, etc. So I think overall, they're not being very friendly. Uh, yeah, ChatGPT is not being friendly with Bard. Definitely sounds like that. And I think it's going to be a tough fight. Let the better AI tool win. So if you found this video interesting, please do subscribe and like the channel. And looking forward to you uh, meeting with me in the future video. Thank you.